To begin, launch the Snapchat app on your phone. Next, navigate to your profile by tapping your Bitmoji in the top left corner. Now tap the gear icon at the top right corner to open your settings. In the My Account section, you will find a new option called Keyboard Extension. If it's not visible, make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. Now tap on it to proceed. On the next screen, tap Open Settings. You will now see a list of all keyboards installed on your device, along with your default one. Simply toggle the switch on next to Snapchat keyboard. When the confirmation window appears, tap OK. Tap OK once more to continue. Now, go back to the previous screen. Then tap Choose Keyboard. From the list of keyboards, select Snapchat keyboard in either English or Spanish, depending on your preference. That's it. Now, exit Snapchat. Open any chat app, and try typing to see it in action. You'll now see that Snapchat keyboard is activated. From here, you can browse Bitmoji, stickers, or type a phrase to let the Customoji feature generate unique stickers for you. The Snapchat keyboard lets you quickly access Bitmoji, stickers, and create personalized Customoji stickers directly while typing. And that's how you can use Snapchat's latest keyboard extension update in 2025.